So today I'm going to be teaching you the 5 most basic tricks for beginners that you're going to need to learn before you learn other flips. So this first trick is called a front flip. So this is really simple. It's one of the most basic tricks. So what you're going to do is you're not going to tuck like this or anything or like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your knee and you're going to put it against your shoulder like this to the side. Because the reason is it makes you smaller in the air, you spin faster. And if you don't do that then and you land weird, it's gonna go like that. You're gonna break your nose. So basically, you're gonna jump about 3 or 4 times and then throw your arms down and tuck like that. So it'll look like this. Okay, so for number 4, we're going to be doing a backflip. So this trick is really easy. You can learn it by just sitting down like this and then going to the side. And then the next one is you're gonna keep going like that, and jumping and going to the side. Eventually just do it like straight up like that. And then after you do it like that, all there is, just jump higher and tuck the same way you do in a front flip.
Go.
So for the third trick, you're gonna be doing a thing called a kaboom. So these are pretty basic, but a lot of people have trouble with them. You're gonna jump and land on your back with your arms across you like this, or just like this. Then you're gonna take your leg down like that and then tuck it in like that. So basically, what you learn then, it'll look like this. Like that, but I can't land it. I'll do another one. Okay, so yeah.
And go.
So this trick is called a ball. You're gonna need to learn this before you do double front flip. So you're gonna do a front flip and land on your back like this and do bounce up like that. So, and then after you do that, just bounce up like that and go forward like that. And after you do that, you just have to lean forward, tuck, and come in. Like that. And then the last thing you're gonna need to do before the double front flip, you're basically gonna jump on your back and do a ball out like that.
Go.
So the last trick you're gonna need to know to learn like 360s, double folds, triple folds, quad folds like that. So basically it's called an Arabian. So you're gonna act like you're gonna do a backflip, but you're gonna take your arms. So if you like looking over this arm, like more, then throw your arms that way. But if you like looking over this arm, throw your arms that way. I'm more comfortable with this arm. So basically you're gonna take your arms like this on the opposite direction and just swing them around like that. You probably won't do it first try, but a way to get over the fear is to like quickly turn around and roll like that and start jumping while doing it like that, and then just start talking while doing it like this. I cannot land it standing, but you get it. And that'll be it for the top 5 things beginners should learn, and peace.